हेलो गाइस, दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट यूट्यूब चैनल। यहाँ पर हम CPT MBA 2021 आंसर की को डिस्कस करने के लिए हैं। मैंने अपनी पूरी प्रयास की है इन सभी सवालों का जवाब ढूंढने के लिए। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which of the following statement is correct regarding India's stand in UNO? Here the correct option is B, all of these. And next we will go to second number question. Like every year in the Swachh Survekshan 2020 awards ceremony, Indian cities that were adjudged cleanest in 2020 were announced. Which city stood first? The correct option is Indore, A. Question number 3, which statement is true about the Indian railway? Here the correct option is D, only 1, 3 and 4. Question number 4, India is a democratic republic because the option number A, the head of the state is elected directly or indirectly by the people and is not inheritary. Question number 5, present how many states and union territories are there in India? And the correct option is 28 states and 8 union territories. Option number D. 6, ATM stands for, and the correct option is B, automated teller machine. Next, question number 7, which of the following statements are true about the statue that was built in the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India? The correct option is D, only 2, 3 and 4. Question number 8, Odisha Day is celebrated in the Indian state of Odisha in memory of the formation of the state as a separate state. Here, the option number A, on 1 April 1936 is correct. Question number 9, who among the following is considered as the father of artificial intelligence? The correct option is John McCarthy. Question number 10, which of the following is not a web browser? Option number C is correct, MS Windows. 11, which of the following is a high-level computer programming language? Here the correct option is D, all of these. Question number 12, the change in the wavelength of light that occurs when a light beam is deflected by a molecule is known as Raman effect. Option number B is correct. Question number 13, which of the following radioactive decay does not change the atomic number? The option is C, gamma. Question number 14, what is the function of a catalyst in a chemical reaction? The correct option is B, it does not affect the equilibrium constant of reaction. Question number 15, which one of the following will turn blue litmus red? The correct option is C, vinegar. Question number 16, phosphine has an odor of decaying fish. Option number B is correct. Question number 17, what is the total number of outcomes when we throw 3 coins? The correct option is C, 8. Okay, now we will move to next part, that is general English. Question number 18, days to celebrate his 75th birthday. Here the correct option is, it was decided, option number A. Question number 19, he was busy days his homework. Option is A, doing. Question number B, days people trying to get into the football stadium, and option B is correct, there were too many. The question number 21, she felt good days the prize. She felt good about winning the prize. Option D is correct. Question number 22, sorry, we are late days the wrong turning. Here the option is C, we took the wrong turning. Question number 23, days with the performance, but I got few the day before. Here the correct option is B, helped. Next question, 24, Raghav days for the international team in 50 matches so far. Here the correct option is A, has played. Okay, we'll move to our next question, that is question number 25. Wait here until I dash you, until I call you. Option number D is correct. Question number 26. He tried to alleviate the suffering of his friend. Here the option D is correct, that is relief. 27. The grandeur of God has to be realized. Here the option number C is correct, that is magnificence. Okay, question number 28. Select the word or phrase which is closest to the opposite in meaning of the underlined word or phrase. We have carefully studied your explanation. It sounds plausible. Here the option number B is correct, unconvincing. Okay, question number 29. Select the word or phrase which is closest to the opposite in meaning of the underlined word or phrase. Dwindling of resources was noticed at a later stage. Here the option number A is correct, that is increase. Question number 30. Ritu has missed several days of school and how she is days in her homework. Here the correct option is A, falling behind. Next, question number 31. Your savings will dash over time. Here the option number B is correct. Option number C is correct here. Add up over time. Next, question number 32. Choose appropriate quantifier to complete the sentence. My friends knew I was getting married. Okay, here the correct option is B, not many of. Question number 33. We should use dash times we have available to discuss John's proposal. Little. Option number D is correct. Question number 34. Rudra is suffering dash an unknown illness. And here the correct option is C, from. Okay, next question number 35. Choose the correct sentence. Here the option number A, Zika virus is broken out in our area, is correct option. Okay, we will move to the next part, that is reasoning part. Question number 36. A series is given with one number missing. Choose the correct alternatives from the given ones that will complete the series. Here the correct option is 100 decimal 5. Okay, now question number 37. Select the related number from the given alternatives. Here the correct option is A, 0.1. 38. The weights of 4 boxes are 90, 30, 40 and 60 kilograms. Which of the following cannot be the total weight in kilograms of any combination of these boxes, and in a combination a box can be used only once? Here the correct option is A, 200. Next, 39. In a certain code language, here the problem is about representation, and the correct option in here is 4. The option number D, 375. 275. Sorry, 275. Question number 40 is 15 plus 23 equals to 11 and 22 plus 32 equals to 10. Then 42 plus 36 is, then the correct option is 26. A is correct. Question number 41. In a line of boys, Aman is 12 from top and Baman is 18 from bottom. If there are 6 boys between Aman and Baman, then how many maximum boys are there in the row? Here the correct option is D, 36. Question number 42. If Flatter is coded as 72388859 and Mother is coded as 468159, then how is Mammoth coded? Here the option A is correct, 4344681. Question number 43. In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternatives player team. The correct option is airplane, flight. Option C is correct. Question number 4. Introducing a boy, Rahul says, he is the son of the brother of the only daughter of my maternal grandfather. How is the boy related to the Rahul? The correct option is cousin, which is brother. Question number 45. In the following questions, by using which mathematical operators will expression become correct? Here the correct option is C. Next question, 46. Abhinav started running from his house. He first ran for 12 km towards west, then he turned towards north and ran 16 km in that direction. How far Abhinav is from his house and in which direction? Option number D is correct, 20 kilometer northwest. Okay, next question, 47. Find out a set of numbers amongst the four set of numbers given in the alternatives, which is the most similar to the numbers given in the question. Given 6, 30, 90. The correct option is option number D. Okay, then we will move towards 48 number question. Select the missing number from the given responses. Here the correct option is option number B. Okay, next question number 49. In the following questions, select the odd number pair from the given alternatives. Option number A, 121-196 is correct. Question number 50. If 35% 31 equals to 12, 92% 30 equals to 14, then what is the value of 15% 24? Option A, 12 is correct. Next question, question number 51. Here the sequence is given. The correct sequence, the option is D is correct. AOBN. Question number 52. At present, the ratio between the ages of Varun and Deepak is 4:3. After 6 years, Varun's age will be 26 years. What is the age of Deepak at present? The option A, 15 years is correct. Okay, next part is quantitative aptitude. 53. Question number 997 into 1003. The correct option is C. Okay, next 54 number. A can do work in 36 days and B in 12 days. 12 days. If they work together, in how many days will they be able to do the work? Option D, 9 is correct. Question number 55. What is the area in square centimeter of a rhombus if the lengths of diagonals are 12 cm and 14 cm? Here the correct option is C, that is 84. Question number 56. If the shopkeeper sells an item at rupees 4,400, which is marked as rupees 5,000, then what is the discount that he is offering? Here the correct option is B, that is 12%. Next question, 57. The flight fare between two cities is increased in the ratio 9:11. What is the increase in the fare if the original fare was rupees 18,000? Here the correct option is C, that is 4,000. Question number 58. Of three numbers whose average is 40, the first is 1/3 of the sum of the other two. What is the first number? Here the correct option is option number D, that is 30. Question number 59. A trader BG 500 kg of cotton for rupees 9,000. 10% of this cotton is spoiled due to rain. At what rate should he sell the rest to earn 10% profit? The correct option is C, 22. Question number 60. A student has to secure 40% marks to pass. He gets 67 and fails by 13 marks. What is the maximum marks? And the option number D, 200 is correct. 61. A spaceship travels at 1,260 km per hour. How many meters does it travel in 1/10 of a second? Here the correct option is B, that is 35. Next question, that is 62. If the amount received at the end of the second and third year at compound interest on a certain principal is rupees 1,800 and rupees 1,926 respectively, what is the rate of interest? Here the correct option is B, that is 7%. Next question, 63. If -half into x minus 5 plus 3 equals to -5/2, then what is the value of x? Here the correct option is A, and that is 16. Question number 64. If A minus B equals to 1 and AB equals to 6, then what is the value of AQ minus BQ? Here the correct option is C, that is 19. Next question number 65. A number is greater than 58 times its reciprocal is by 3/4. What is the number? Question number D is 8. Option number D, 8. Question number 66. What is the sum of the first 13 terms of an arithmetic progression if the first term is -10 and the last term is 26? Option A 104 is correct. Question number 67. What is the reflection of the point minus 0, 5, 6 in the x-axis? Here the correct option is D. Question number 8. At what point does the line 2x minus 3y equals to 6 cuts the y-axis? Here the option number D, that is 0 minus 2 is correct. Question number 69. What is the value of cot 45 degree plus cosec 60 degree? Here the correct option is option number D. Question number 70. Triangle LMN is a right angle at M. If M is smaller than N equals 60 degree, then tan L equals to option number B. 1 upon root 3 is correct. Okay, thank you all for watching my video. Please like, comment and share and subscribe.